Hello everyone, welcome to Ikti family. Now I will going to show you the domain on Ikti Cloud File Server. This is a URL to log into Ikti Cloud File Server, and this is a email ID. This is a email ID or username and a password to log into Cloud File Server. Click on the login button. Once you log into the Ikti Cloud File Server, you can see the screen. Okay. First, I will show you how to create a users and groups. Just click on the admin panel and click on the users. When you click on the users, you can see the how many users are present in this Ikti Cloud File Server. First, I will show the how to create a users. Just click on the user and type here username. I will create one new test user. Test1, and you can give the display name test1. You can give the any password. Okay, password should be secure. Email ID, if you want, you can give the email ID, or it's optional. Okay, then click on the I will save this user. Okay, once you click on the right button, it will save the user. Okay, now I will show the how to add the groups. Okay, just click on the groups. Just I will create a white test group. Test group 1. If you want to save that user group means just click on arrow bar. Okay. If you click on arrow mark, it will show that group where it is created. To add the users into that group means just go to the users, everyone. Just I will show you. Just click on that test users, edit users. To add that users into group means just type that group ID here, group name here. See, test group 1. If you select this, you can select a multiple group also. See here, you can select like this. Okay. Once you add that groups here means just click on right button to save the users into that group. Now I will show you how to upload the files and folders into the Ikti Cloud File Server. Okay. Just click on the files here. Once you click on the files, it will open the present folders and files which are present in the Ikti Cloud File Server. These are the previously added folders and files. Okay. If you want to add the new, if you want to upload a new folder means just click on the right button. Here you can create a new folder, new document, and spreadsheet and presentation also. Okay. Now I will show you how to upload the files into this file server. Just click on a file server. Just click on the files or folders which you want to upload the files. Okay. I will upload this application into the Ikti Cloud File Server. Just open this one. See here, it will show the uploading how much speed it is taking to see 1 MB per second is uploading. Okay. If you want to upload the folder means you can just drag and drop that folders. Yeah, I'll show you. Just drag that folders and drop here. See here, it's uploading. Now I will show you how to give a permission to the users to access this folder. Okay, just click on this share icon. Okay, just type here the username or a group which you want to give the permission to access this folder. Okay, I will just click this users here. See, Ikti test1. I will click on here. Okay, I have given the permission to Ikti test1 to access this folder. Okay, then I will filter the permission here. Okay, you can give the allow the editing editing permission. creating permission, deleting permission. You can set the expiry date also here. Okay, see here, and you can give the note to the recipient here. This will appear. This will be appear in. This will be appear only 2 days. Like that, you can give the note to the users. Okay. This is all about how to give the permissions to the particular folder or a file. Now I will going to show you how to map this drive, demo drive 16, like C drive, B drive, web drive. Okay. Just click on the setting, copy this URL and open this network drive. Okay. Just click on the map the network. Okay. Once you map the network means it will show like this. Just paste that URL into this field and click on connect using a different credential also and click on finish. Okay. When you click on finish, it will ask the username and password. Just enter the username and password. And click on OK. Once you click on the OK, it will appear the see here. It will show like this. Okay. You can copy and paste the folder and files like this here. Okay. Just copy the folder or file and paste it over here. Okay. Once you paste this folder here means it will appear in the browser also. Okay. I'll show you the browser. Okay. Just click on a folder. Just replace it. See here below. It is showing that setup. Okay. Okay. This is all about Qt Cloud File Server. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.